Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make red velvet white chocolate chip cookies. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then into a medium bowl, add in the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Whisk them until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the softened butter, and beat it with an electric mixer until it's smooth. Then add in the sugar and brown sugar and cream them on medium speed for 2 minutes. Then add in the egg, vanilla extract, and red food coloring. You can use liquid or gel. Mix them on low speed at first. Then once they're combined, beat it on medium speed for another 30 seconds. Add in the dry ingredients and mix them on low speed until just combined. Then add in the white chocolate chips and mix them in by hand until they're evenly distributed. Scoop 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie and place them onto an ungreased sheet pan, spacing them out at least 1.5 inches apart to give them room to spread. And bake them in the oven for 8 to 12 minutes until they're set. Bake them for less time for chewy cookies and bake them for more time for crisp cookies. When they're done, remove them from the oven. And if you like, you can add some more white chocolate chips on top of them. Just do it immediately after they come out of the oven so they melt and stick to the cookies. After all the cookies have white chocolate chips on top, they will be cooled enough to transfer to a cooling rack. So transfer the cookies to a cooling rack and let them cool a little longer. And you can serve them still warm or cooled completely. Then repeat that process until all the cookie dough is used up. And that's how to make red velvet white chocolate chip cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.